Hey guys, so today's video we're going to be showing you how to go on Spotify from your PS5. So say you're on a game or you just signed in, what we're going to want to do is push this PS right here, then we're going to go to home. Or maybe you're already on the home page, you start off on the home page. So on the top you'll see that there's games and then media. We're going to want to go to media. Once we go to media, then we're going to see a list right here and bam, Spotify's at the end. So go ahead, push X, go on Spotify. Next, you're gonna have to download it. I'll go ahead and just show you how fast the download is. It's really fast. Once you go and download, if you already have an account, real easy, just sign in. If not, then you're gonna have to sign up and pay for it with credit card or something like that. But other than that, pretty simple. Just want to show you that Spotify is on PS5 and you can go on there. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Hope that video helps. Give it a like or comment below. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.